What's up guys, and welcome to the video. So today's video is going to be really interesting for you guys that want to use your crypto and spend that in real life, but kind of don't know how unless you actually have to make a withdrawal from a centralized exchange. As we know, making withdrawals from centralized exchanges obviously depending which country you come from. These things can be taxed heavily. And Bitrefill is basically a place where you can buy gift cards with your crypto, so therefore not having to withdraw your funds through a centralized exchange. As you can see here, there's a bunch of different gift cards available for a bunch of different websites. Amazon's on there, so you can buy all sorts of things on Amazon. You can use it in supermarkets. You can use it for Uber Eats and Just Eat. And there's a bunch of array of different things, as well as topping up mobile phones and this kind of thing as well. So basically, the way you go about this is obviously the first thing you need to do is create an account. The only thing you need to do to make that is give an email address, and once you've done that and created a password, then you'll have your own account. And the first thing you need to do, because there's kind of two ways you can then pay for your gift cards. Now the first way is to top up your Bitrefill account with some Bitcoin. So to do that, you want to click on your account here, and then you want to go into add funds, and then from there you want to choose where the funds are coming from and which balance you want to send it to. If you want to top it up with Bitcoin, you need to make sure you set it from a Bitcoin address. Here you'll be able to choose which wallet or exchange you're going to send it from. Like I say, you've got to be really careful to make sure you're sending it from the right place and the right address, because otherwise you can end up losing funds. And then the second way to go about it is just simply by searching whichever gift card you're interested in. Say you've got some little things that you want to buy, you can then decide to choose to buy an Amazon gift card. Look, you can get up to €2,000 worth, which is quite a decent amount. Say for example we want a €100 gift card, so you want to add that to your card like that, and then when you go into checkout, then here's the second option here. It says external payment, and you can choose to buy this gift card with any of the methods. So you have got Binance Pay available, or you can send money straight from an Ethereum address, straight from a Bitcoin address. You can send stable coins from Ethereum and Tron, Litecoin, a bunch of different ways you can send the money. And then simply you just click the method that you wanted to, and then you would send the funds to that wallet, and then it would pay for your gift card. So once you bought it, you will be given a code, and it will be that code that you'll be able to then redeem on the website of your choice, for example Amazon. And then when you check out there, in the little space where it asks you, do you have any sort of coupon or voucher, then you want to click onto that, and then you want to paste that coupon code into there, and then it will automatically deduct the value of your gift card from your balance. So yeah, as we know, for some people living in certain countries that have really strict crypto rules, it can be really annoying having to withdraw your funds. So hopefully some of you, this video has been informative and gives you guys a different way to be able to spend your crypto in the real world. And so thanks for listening guys, as always. Until next time, bye.